Hello everyone, Nitin here. In this demo, I'll walk you through with the testing of Alexa skill using Alexa skill management API and a Botium bindings. So Botium binding is a tool which can be used for testing your conversational AI application like chatbot or virtual assistant or your voice assistant. So for this demo, for the testing purpose, we'll require few details like we have to register a product in Alexa's voice service portal. So here you can add your new product in Alexa voice service, and we'll be requiring few details of it like your client ID, client secret, and this ID, Amazon ID. Okay, this is for the Alexa voice service. Now I'll walk you through with the application, which application and what kind of application we are going to test over here. So I have created application called Doctor Appointment. Okay, so this can be invoked by the invocation name like Alexa ask Dr. Connect, and these are my intents, so which I have created for this application, like check appointment, providing the date for the specific date for the appointment. If I want to change my appointment time, I can ask Alexa for this, and confirmation. And these are the set of utterances. Okay. So before we proceed, I'll just give you that how you can test it over Alexa console. I'll have to sign in again. Okay, I just go back to my test console of my skill set. So this is the test console. Over here you can test your application manually, like so this is the welcome message of my application. So now the actual application, this is the intent mapping in your Alexa skill set. The actual application is running in my background in my local system. So I'll give you the overview of it. I have hosted on my locally and provided the web URL of it. Okay, so here my application is running. So see, if in my test console I have invoked my application by asking Alexa ask Dr. Connect. So it has Alexa has written the text like a welcome message. Okay, so this is how you manually test your application. But if you want to test your application, if you want to automate your application by testing the backend of your application, like calling intent, and once the intent is called, what response the Alexa should return, so we can will verify over here. Okay, so these are the few details which we'll be requiring, as I have shown you earlier, that we will be requiring the client ID, client secret, vendor ID, and the skill ID. Skill ID is the skill ID of an application which is under test. Like if I go over here and I'll show you this skill ID. Okay, you can get the skill ID from here. Now this is my skill ID. Okay, 5B20, the last 4 digits of it. Okay, now this is my 5B20. So This is my actual Botium file, but it contains some my client secret and client ID, so I won't be showing this. So I will just made a copy of it and give you brief of what are the things required to test this application. Okay, so now this is the main configuration which is need to be done. After that, this is my test cases. Okay, now the test case name is Dr. Connect, where we'll be verifying the output provided by the Alexa, like welcome message. If I call and launch intent, it will tell the what it will greet you with the welcome message. Okay, now this is my code base. Now I'll show you that when I launch my application by the invocation name. Okay, this is my launch intent. Okay, and now this is what the welcome text is. Okay, we'll be verifying this text over here. So okay, so moving back to my test project. Okay, now here I have this is the hash me denotes that it's me, it's a user, and hashbot is the Alexa, what the response Alexa will provide. Okay, we'll be testing this. Now similarly, the second test case is checking appointment. Okay, once I have provided the details like Alexa book an appointment with the cardiologist, so it will the Alexa will be returning with a text message as like okay for which date. Okay, now I'll run my test case. Okay, so this will create a HTML report of our test case. So it's just like a backend testing of your application. Okay, so I have the two test cases. Those both got passed, like checking appointment and Dr. Connect. I'll show you this HTML report. HTML is not too fancy or not too in details, but manageable. Okay,